let's try to illustrate the situation here. So the student is standing on top of a building. Let me draw the building. Okay, so this is the building, and the height of the building is 200 meters. Let's note it here. And he threw a stone upward with an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. So let's fix the direction. So let's take the upward direction as positive. So let's take the upward direction as positive. So we can say that the initial velocity here, he threw the stone upwards with the velocity. So since it's upward, we have to take it as 4 plus 40 meter per second. So the v0 y or vy0 can be taken as plus 40 meter per second. I can write it as just 40 meter per second, but remember it's going upwards. Okay, plus 40 meter per second means it's going upwards. So now what is the vertical location of the stone in meters with respect to the top of the building? So we have to find out the location of the stone in meters after, so the time, after the time 11 seconds. Okay, so now we have to fix the reference point. So here we have to calculate the location of the with respect to top of the building. So we have to, it is set to calculate the location of the stone with respect to top. So let's fix the origin or the reference at this position. Okay, so let's fix the reference at the top of the building. Is that clear for you? So now let's mark the initial position y0. So since it's at the reference point, y0 equal to 0 meters. Okay, now we have to find out the vertical location of the stone in meters. So now we have to find out the y at time t. So we have to find out the position of the stone at time t. So we have to find out y of t at a later time t. So we have to find out the position of the stone at a later time t. So which equation we have to pick? So this is what we have to find out. Okay, so here we have v0, we have t, and we have y0. So it's easy, we can choose the equation number 2. So let's take this one. Okay, so let's choose this equation. So y of t, y0 equal to v0t minus half gt square. And let's plug in the given data here. So y equal to y minus 0 meters equal to v0 is 40 meter per second times, what is the time here, 11 seconds. So let's 11 seconds minus half times 9.81 times 11 seconds square. Okay, anyway, here let me put meter per second square times 11 seconds square. Okay, so that becomes, this is 440 seconds will be cancelled, so 440 meter minus 0.5 times 9.81 times 11 times 11, it will be 593.5. that is second square gets cancelled, so it will be meters. So that is y equal to negative 153.5. means the stone is below the reference point. It has reached its maximum height and it starts coming back, and what happened, it reached somewhere below the reference point. Means you can see here it's negative 153. Negative 153 means it should be somewhere here, because this is 200 meter height, so it should be somewhere here, negative 153 meters. So that's the vertical location of the stone in meters. Is that clear for you?